Now I will discuss about finding derivative of infinite series. Derivative of an infinite series. Infinite series means this type of function are given, will be given, and you have to find the derivative dy by dx. Okay, we know that from an infinite number of quantity, if single quantity is take out, then there will no effect. Okay, so similarly, if single quantity we take out from this infinite type of series, then there will be no effect, we suppose, on that series. That's why we can convert it in a simple function. How? See here. First question. First question given. What is given? Y equals to x to the power x or x or x. And similarly, proceeding up to infinite case. Now, here function is x to the power x to the power x to the power and so on. So, we suppose excluding this, also x to the power x to the power x to the power up to infinite. That's why we can write this is y. So, we can write x to the power y. And we have to find derivative dy by dx. So, simple case is there. Taking logarithmic, we can find derivative. So, implies log of y equals to log of x to the power y, taking logarithmic. Taking logarithmic. Okay, on both sides. On both sides. So we get log y equals to y log of x by using property of logarithmic. Now our target is finding dy by dx. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get with respect to x, that is first of all 1 upon y, then dy upon dx equals to, here product of two function, first function y, second function derivative 1 log x का 1 by x plus first function का derivative dy upon dx and into second function log x. Now dy upon dx, here is dy by dx, also here is dy by dx. So collect dy by dx, transferring this on left side, we can get 1 upon y, 1 upon y dy by dx minus log x, minus log x dy by dx equals to right side y by x. Okay. Now from here we can write dy by dx equals to, implies dy upon dx equals to y upon ax divided by this 1 upon y minus log of x. Okay, log of x. So finally answer will be in simplified form. What? Taking LCM. So y will be go on numerator. So y square upon x, डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा 1 minus y log of y. So this is our derivative. Okay, y square हो जाएगा, x नीचे आ जाएगा तो 1 minus y log x, sorry, y log x. So this is the value of dy by dx for this series. Okay, so this dy by dx equals to this y square upon x 1 minus y log x. Similarly, you can find derivative for this function also. How? Given is what? Given function is, for second, given y equals to root over sin x plus root over sin x plus root over sin x plus up to infinity. That is, in a similar fashion from last question, we can write root over sin x plus y. इसको हटा के इस पूरे की जगह पे हम y लिख सकते हैं. So from here, for finding derivative, square root. So taking square root, taking square on both sides. Taking square of both sides. So y square equals to sin x plus y. From here we can find derivative directly. How? Differentiate with respect to x. Just differentiate, and we have to find the value like this. So here y differentiate with respect to x, we get composite function 2y dy upon dx equals to sin x का derivative cos x plus dy upon dx. Clear? Now taking dy by dx on single side, left side, so इसको इधर ले आएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 2y minus 1. यहाँ पर 2y है और यहाँ पर minus 1 equals to cos x. So finally we get dy upon dx equals to what? Cos x upon 2y minus 1. Cos x upon 2y minus 1. So this is the derivative. Thus we see in the case of infinite series, we can find derivative very easily by taking this type of process, that is single term को हटा देना है, बाकी y की वैल्यू को फिर लिख लेना है, और यहाँ स्क्वायर था, स्क्वायर रूट था, सो स्क्वायर लिया, जहाँ पावर में होगा वहाँ पर लॉगरिथमिक लिया था, सो स्क्वायर लिया तो ये आया, डिफरेंशिएट कर दिया बोथ साइड में, कलेक्ट किया, dy by dx की वैल्यू निकाला. That is the value of dy by dx. Okay, so note down very carefully and try to solve some questions. Okay. Question 10 of exercise 5.5. Differentiate the function x to the power x cos x plus x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Okay, let us try to solve question 10. Okay, so solution, start. Let the given function as y. Okay, y equals to x to the power x cos x plus x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. First quantity is power quantity, second is rationalized. So let us suppose that first quantity is u and second quantity is v. So we get y equals to u plus v. Now differentiate both side with respect to x. We get dy by dx equals to du plus v by dx, that is du by dx plus dv by dx. Clear? Now first of all we have to calculate what? Du by dx and then dv by dx. Clear? Now calculating du by dx. Here u equals to x to the power x cos x. Clear? Here power quantity is given, that's why we are taking log. Take log both sides, we get log u equals to log of x to the power x cos x. Now as a formula log a to the power b equals to b log a. So we write log u equals to x log x log x. Here product function is on the right hand side. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get d log u by dx equals to dy ds. Okay. Now d log u by dx into du by du equals to like this. Now d log u by du, that is 1 by log u, and du by dx equals to d of this. Now 1 upon u, du by dx equals to d of this. Now product of two functions of x cos x first function, log x second function. Then we have to differentiate this u v dash, this u dash v, v dash u, that is here u x cos x and v log x. That's why we are differentiating on right side like this, d cos x dx cos x by dx, first function derivative, second function as log x, and plus first function as derivative of second function. Clear? Now dx cos x by x, derivative of product of two function, x first function cos second function. You can suppose here d log x by dx means 1 by x, x cancel, cos x. Clear? dx cos x by dx, here x cos x by dx, first function is what? First function is x, that is dx by x cos x plus x first function, second function derivative d cos x by dx log x, here cos x only. So here 1 into cos x and minus x sin x. So cos x minus x sin x log x equal to this. Now here du by dx means take u on right hand side, then cos x log x minus x sin x log x plus cos, multiply it on right hand side. Now like this, cos x log x plus cos x minus x sin x log x. Now transfer u on the right hand. Here cos x can be take out common, then log x plus 1 minus x sin x log x, and du by dx is u as a product on the right hand side, transferring u. Now put the value of u means what? X to the power x cos x. Clear? X to the power x cos x. Okay. So that was the value of, this was the value of du by dx. Now we are finding dv by dx. Here v equals to x square plus 1 by x square minus 1, and differentiating both sides with respect to x. So dv by dx equals to dy dx of this rationalized function. Okay, u by v, division formula we have to apply. dv by dx means dv by dx, or here only direct differentiate here, not logarithmic. Okay, so dy by dx of numerator upon denominator function. Now this using formula, quotient formula, u by v dash u dash v square v u dash minus v dash u. Clear? This is the formula. So using here v means what? X square minus 1, x square minus 1 square, x square minus 1, and dy dx of x square plus 1 minus of d by dx x square minus 1 x square plus 1. Now solving it, here 2x plus 0, here x square minus 1 minus 2x minus 0 x square plus 1. Make product, multiply it, and solving we can get 2x x square minus 1 minus 2x x square plus 1, taking out 2x common, then x square minus 1 x minus x square minus 1, x square cancel, minus 2 minus 2, minus 4x by x square minus 1. So minus 4x by x square minus 1 whole square. This is the value of dv by dx. Okay. Now we have to put value of du by dx which we have got, and also dv by dx in dy by dx equals to. Now putting value of du by dx and dv by dx in dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. That was the relation or first relation. So put value
here du by dx plus dv by dx, only putting the value. So this is the final derivative of given function. This is x to the power x cos x plus x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. This is y. So dy by dx equal to this. This is the solution of question 10 of exercise 5.1. Clear? Now take question 11. Question 11 of exercise 5.5. Differentiate the function x to cos x to the power x plus x sin x to the power 1 by x. Okay. Here also power function is added. That's why we are using logarithmic differentiation. So let us solve this. Let y equals to, let the given function is y equals to this, and also we are supposing first is u and second is b. So let u equal to this and v equal to this. First function is this, second function is this, like this. Now therefore we get what? Y equals to u plus v. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Dy by dx equals to du plus v by dx, that is du by dx plus dv by dx. Just similar as the question 10. Now we have to find separately du by dx and dv by dx. Okay, here calculating du by dx. Clear? Du by dx, here u equals to x cos x to the power x, taking logarithmic because power, log on both sides, log u equals to this, log of this, x on before side, log x cos x as formula log a to the power v equal to v log a. So this is logarithmic. Now differentiate both sides with respect to s. So dy dx log u, dy dx x into log x cos x. Okay. Now left side d log u upon du upon dx. Clear? Now here d of this dy dx of right hand side, also on left hand side 1 by u du by dx, and right hand side dy dx of this. Now 1 by u du by dx equal to dy dx. Here product of two functions. First function is x, second function log x cos x. So this derivative of first function x dx by dx and second function log x cos x. Now first function and dy dx of second one log x cos x, using the product rule, uv dash equal to u dash v plus v dash u. Okay. Now here dx by dx 1 log x cos x plus x into d of log, that is 1 upon x cos x, and derivative of x cos x dash, a derivative of this. Okay. So derivative of this means product of two functions. First function is x, second function cos x. So x derivative 1 cos x and x is cos x derivative minus sin x. So we get like this, cos x minus x sin x upon cos x, or here log x cos x. Left hand side is same as x log x cos x. Okay. Now distribute cos in both. So cos x by cos minus x sin x by cos x. So here 1, here 10. So we have to write like this, log x cos x plus 1 minus x tan x. Now transferring u on the right hand side as a product, 1 minus x tan x log x cos x. Now put the value of u equal to x cos x to the power x, this putting the value of u. So this was the value of du by dx. Clear? Now we have to calculate dv by dx. Now calculating dv by dx, here dv equals to x sin x to the power 1 by x, also taking logarithmic because power is there. So logarithmic log v equals to log of x sin x to the power 1 by x. So power comes to the before, so 1 by x log x sin x. Now we can differentiate because this is there are two functions, 1 by x and log of x sin x. So first function, second function, differentiate. Now log v equals to 1 by x, this. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, so dy dx log v equals to dy dx of this first function and second function. Now d of log v by dv and dv by dx, 1 by x log x sin x power dash, derivative of this. Okay, derivative of this. Now first function, second function. Here 1 by v, dv by dx equal to 1 by x this. Now 1 upon v this. Here u by v dash, v square v u dash minus v dash u. This is the quotient rule. So here u equals to what? We suppose u equals to log x sin x, u equals to this, and v equals to 1 by x. Now v equals to x, v equals to x or u by x, not product rule, quotient rule. We are using quotient rule. X is v or log x sin x is u. Now v square, that is x square or x as it is, and derivative of log x sin x dash dash plus derivative of x dash and log x sin x. Derivative of x dash means dx by dx means 1. Okay, so 1 and log x sin x. Here derivative of this. Derivative of this means 1 by x sin x. Okay, 1 by x square and 1 by x sin x, because derivative of log x, 1 by x sin x into product of two function x sin x dash. Now solve it. 1 by x square, 1 by sin x, x product is there, so x cancelled, 1 by sin x into x sin x dash plus log x sin x. Now here x sin x, first function, second function. Now first function derivative 1, second function sin x, first function x, second function derivative cos x, x sin x plus x cos x by sin x. Okay, now like this we get like this 1 by u dv by du, x sin x is like this. Now differentiate this, distribute this sign into here 2, so sin by sin 1, sin cos by sin cot, so 1 plus x cot x plus log x sin x, 1 by x square. Now transferring b on the right hand side as a product and put the value of b, 1 plus x cot x minus log x sin x by x square, put the value of b, b means x sin x to the power 1 by x, and this is the value of dv by dx. Okay, now we have to put, because value of dv by dx is here, now we know we have dv by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So putting the value of du by dx and dv by dx, we get like this: dy by dx equal to first du by dx, this was the value of du by dx, and this is the value of dv by dx. So this is the final derivative of question 11, here this function. Clear? Now we use here what formula? Logarithmic differentiation, because power is there and added this to power, so first function u, second function v, then we can get du by dx will dv by dx, and separately u equal to this, v equal to this. By taking logarithm we can differentiate it and find the du by dx and dv by dx, and putting the value in here we get finally answer like this. Okay, these are the derivative of given function in 11, question 5.5. Okay. Question 14 of exercise 5.5. Find dy by dx of the function y where this is given. Clear? Here we have to find dy by dx. This is y is function of x treating. Okay, so let us solve it. Clear? So find dy by dx of this. Now we are given cos x power y equal to cos y power x, that is power function, so we are taking logarithmic. Here y is function of x. Clear? Y is function of x. So taking logarithm on both sides, so log of this, log of this. Now as we know that the formula log a to the power b means b log a, so y log cos x equals to x log cos y. Clear? Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, here to product of two function, here also product of two function. So d of this equals to d of this, dy dx of this, dy dx and right hand side. Now one by one we have to find left hand side and right hand side. Clear? Finding left hand side, d by dx y log cos x, product of two functions. So product rule we have to use. So this is equals to, first function is y, second function is log cos x. So this is the rule. U v dash means u dash v plus v dash u. Here u equals to, we suppose what, y, and v equals to log cos x. Using this formula dy by dx log cos x, dy by dx log cos x into y. Clear? Now dy by dx, yes, and log cos x plus log of cos x derivative 1 by cos x dot d by dx of cos x into y. Y is first function. So dy by dx log cos x plus 1 by cos x derivative minus sin x. So minus y sin x by cos x, that is minus sin x by cos x means minus 10x y. Clear? So dy by dx log cos x minus 10x into y into 10x. So this is equals to this. Left hand side equals to. Now right hand side, finding dy by dx x log cos y. Similar, in a similar fashion, this is equals to first function x, second function log cos y. So using that formula also, we have to differentiate on right hand side dx by x dx dot cos log cos y plus dy by dx log cos y dot x. Now this is equals to 1. So log cos y plus 1 by cos y dot cos the derivative of cos y with respect to x. So here minus sin y dy by dx minus sin d cos y by dx and dy by dx into x is derivative. Now here log cos y plus 1 by cos y, this into this dy by dx, dy by dx. Clear? Dy by dx. So dy by dy, here dy by dy, here dy, misprinting here, there dy. So cos y, d cos y by dy by, or here dy upon dx, here dx, here dx. So dy by dx, dy by dy cos y means minus sin y, next time minus sin y. So minus sin y by cos y minus 10y dy by dx into x. So minus 10y x dy by dx log cos y. So this is equals to, right hand side is equals to this. Okay. Now equating this 2. Okay. Now we have the left hand side equal to right hand side. So putting the value value of left hand side, value of right hand side. Now here dy by dx and here also dy by dx. So collect it, transferring, after transferring. So dy by dx log cos x minus y 10x log cos y minus x 10y dy by dx. Now transferring here the dy by dx on the left hand side, and this is minus y 10x on the right hand side. So log cos y plus y 10x, and here common, take common dy by dx log cos x plus x 10y, and this is equal to this. Now from here dy by dx is equal to what? This upon this, that is log cos y plus y 10x upon log cos x plus x 10y. Clear? So this is derivative. So for finding dy by dx, we are using here what? Logarithmic differentiation. Taking logarithmic on both sides and find value of both sides, and putting and collecting dy by dx, and then transferring on the right hand side, we can get dy by dx like this. So this is the value of dy by dx. This was the solution of question 14 of exercise 5.5. Okay. Now let us take next important questions is 16. Okay, that is find the derivative of function given by fx equal to this into product function. Here this is product, this into this into this into this, and also find f dash 1, that is derivative of function fx at x equal to 1. So let us solve. Let us suppose that fx equal to this, that is given function. Now because right hand side is a product of more than 2 quantity, so we can take logarithmic on both sides. So take logarithmic on both sides. Suppose this is equals to y, in place of fx we suppose y, then take logarithmic on both sides, then we get log y equals to In place of fx, we are supposing y. So log y equals to log of product of this, that is log a, b, c, d, that is log a plus log b plus log c plus log d. So using this, just like this formula, as log a, b equals to log a plus log b. Okay, so log of this plus log of this plus log of this plus log of this. Now the values are separated. Now we can differentiate with respect to x here. So this is equals to, this is the value of log y. Now differentiate on both sides with respect to x. On the left side dy dx log y, right side dy dx of all four terms. We can separated this d log 1 plus x by dx plus and plus and plus and so on. So we can separated it, distributed, that means and left hand side is d log y upon dx over separated this, okay, dy dx of these and then distributed. Okay, now left side dy dy log y dy by dx, this is the derivative left side. Right side log 1 plus x 1 by 1 plus x and again derivative of 1 plus x. Similarly here 1 over 1 plus x square and derivative of 1 plus x square and so on, like this. Do this in with 4 terms. Now left hand side log y, derivative log y 1 by y dy by dx, 1 by y dy by dx, and also right hand side derivative 1 ka 0, x ka 1, similarly 0, x square ka 2x is 0 and x for 4 ka 4x cube or 8 ka 8 x to the 7. So we are getting like this, y 1 by y dy by dx equal to this 1 by 1 plus x square plus 2x by this 4x cube by this 8x x to the 7 by this, we are getting like this. Okay, now transferring y on the right hand side and y equals to what, we are supposing y equals to what, full function fx, that is full function. So put the value of y, this product of this for quantity and this is the value of dy by dx. Okay, so derivative, this is the derivative. First part was is completed and second part is f dash 1, that is y dash at, that is dy by dx at x equal to 1. So here f dash is equal to this, we got this. Now x equal to, now we need to find f dash 1. So putting x equal to 1, then f dash 1 in place of x put 1. Clear? So this okay, f dash 1 equal to this. Now solving it, we can get value like this, adding 2 to the 2 and like this, solving, taking LCM like this. Okay, this is equal to this is equal to this, equals to 120. So 120 is the value of f dash 1. So this is the value of f dash 1. This was the solution of question 16 of exercise 5.1. Okay. Now take question 17. Here 17 of exercise 5.5, differentiate product of these two expression by using product rule, by expanding this as a single polynomial and also by logarithmic. We can do differentiate in 3 ways. Do they all give the same answer? We have to check. Clear? Now let us solve by using product rule. So here let y equals to these two product. Now by product rule, first function u, second function v, that is first expression u, second expression v. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx is left on left hand side and right hand side dy by dx of this product of two function. Now using rule, product rule, u v dash equal to u dash v, v dash u, here u equal to this, v equal to this. We can suppose dy by dx equal to this, d by dx of u and v plus dx du by dx into dv by dx into u. Okay, now differentiate it term by term, also term by term here. So 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5 plus 0, here 3x square plus 7 plus 0. Now this into this into this, but just multiply this two expression, this into this into this, multiply this terms polynomial, you can get the value, multiply and distribute it, and collecting powers as a descending power. So we can get 5x to the power 4 minus 20x cube plus 45x square minus 42x plus 11. So this is the value of dy by dx by using product rule. Now we are using value by using second part. This is the first part. Okay, second, by first we multiply this to expression and take find a single polynomial, then this differentiate term by term. So here expanding the product to obtain a single polynomial. Clear? By expanding the product to obtain a single polynomial. Okay, so y equals to this, multiply this to, we get just like this. Okay, multiply this to expression and adjusting like this. Okay, now writing as a descending power of x. Now differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Left side we get what? Dy by dx, and right side dy by dx of this. Now distribute differentiation in term by term. So we get like this, and differentiate 5x to the power 4 minus 4x 20 like this. So this is the here 20x to the cube 45x square minus 52x plus 11 plus 0. So dy by dx equal to this. This is the value of derivative by using making a single polynomial, and by direct differentiating we get this. This value is same as the we get on in the question in the first part. Okay, so now the remaining part is third part, logarithmic differentiation, because they are here we are giving product up to expression. So by logarithmic differentiation, take y equal to this. Okay, y equal to this, then taking logarithmic on both sides, then log y equals to what? Log of a into b equal to log a plus log b. Log ab into log a plus log b, the log of this plus log of this. Now differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Left side dy dx of log y, or right side dy dx of both two, and distributing and differentiating. Left side dy log y upon dx, dy here dy or here dx. There is some misprinting is there. Okay, now dy df dy, distributing these two derivative here. Dy dy log y, differentiate of log y 1 by y dy by dx. Here log of this means 1 upon this into derivative of this, plus similar 1 upon this and derivative of this. Now here 1 by y dy by dx, right side this 1 upon this, the differentiate of this 2x minus 5 plus 0, also 3x square plus 7 plus 0. Clear? Constant term 0. So we get 1 upon y dy by dx equal to this plus this. Now taking LCM we can solve it. Taking LCM we can solve it like this. Just LCM, taking LCM, this two product, this into this plus this into this on right hand side like this. Okay, 1 by dy by dx, taking y on the right hand side as a product. Now put the value of y, this into this, that is the y. So this two quantity will be cancelled out, and we will get like this. Only this will cancel out, so we will get like this. Okay, product of this. Now multiply and adjusting as a descending power of x, so we can get like this. Okay, so this is the value of derivative by using third logarithmic differentiation. We see that three values are same in first, second, third. So hence the answer is same in all the three cases. Okay, so differentiation can be done by using different rules of same function. So do practice for solving these questions. Okay, so these are the very important questions of exercise 5.5. Okay, note down very carefully.